Ever wondered when is the best time to plant your favorite vegetables? Welcome to Farming Know-How, where we unravel the mysteries of agriculture. Today we delve into the perfect timing for planting various vegetables. You see, timing is everything in farming. Plant too early and your seedlings may perish in the cold. Plant too late and they'll struggle in the scorching heat. Understanding this delicate balance is crucial. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to plant each type of vegetable for a successful harvest. Timing is everything in farming. Plant too early or too late, and it can make all the difference between a bountiful harvest and a disappointing one. To underscore this point, let's consider a few key factors that influence the best planting times: weather, soil temperature, and day length. First off, weather. It's no surprise that plants need the right conditions to thrive. Certain vegetables like peas and spinach love the chill of early spring, while others like tomatoes and peppers prefer the heat of summer. Next up, soil temperature. This is a less obvious but equally crucial factor. Some seeds won't germinate unless the ground is warm enough. For instance, beans, cucumbers, and corn need soil temperatures of at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit to sprout. Lastly, let's talk about day length. As the seasons change, so does the amount of daylight. Some veggies, like lettuce and radishes, don't mind shorter days, while others, like peppers and tomatoes, need long, sunny days to produce their best. Different vegetables have different planting times because they have unique needs in terms of weather, soil temperature, and day length. And that's why it's essential to understand these variables and how they interact. So, if you've ever wondered why your neighbor's cucumber vines are overflowing while yours are just getting started, it might be all about timing. Knowing when to plant each vegetable is a key part of successful farming. Now let's delve into the specifics. Cool season vegetables like spinach, lettuce, and peas thrive in cooler temperatures. They are the hardy pioneers of the vegetable world, setting root when the ground is still shaking off winter's chill. But knowing when to plant each cool season vegetable can be a bit of a guessing game. It's a delicate dance between winter's last frost and the arrival of warmer weather. Let's consider spinach. This leafy green gem loves cold weather. It's best to plant spinach seeds as soon as the soil can be worked in spring. This usually occurs when soil temperatures reach around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we have lettuce. Another cold weather fan, lettuce can be planted a week or two before the last expected spring frost. It's a resilient plant and can handle a little chill. Peas, on the other hand, are a bit more particular. These little green orbs of goodness prefer soil temperatures of around 45 degrees Fahrenheit. It's best to plant them 4 to 6 weeks before the last expected frost. And then we have the brassicas, a family that includes broccoli, cabbage, and kale. These guys are real frost warriors. They can be planted as early as 5 weeks before the last expected frost. But remember, these are just guidelines. Mother Nature can be unpredictable and local weather conditions can vary. Always check your local frost dates and monitor soil temperatures. Planting cool season vegetables can be a gamble, but it's one worth taking. They provide a lush green welcome to spring. Their tender leaves a testament to life's resilience. And the early harvest they provide is a bonus. So don't let the chill deter you. Grab your gardening gloves, your spade, and your seeds. It's time to embrace the cold and get planting. With cool season vegetables, you can get a head start on your garden even before the last frost of spring. Warm season vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers need heat to thrive. They're the sun-loving stars of the garden, and knowing when to plant them is key to a successful harvest. Let's start with tomatoes. Once the danger of frost has passed, and the soil temperature consistently stays above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to get these vibrant red delights in the ground. Patience is key here, as planting too early can expose tender plants to damaging late spring frosts. Moving on to peppers, they're a bit like the Goldilocks of the garden, not too hot, not too cold, but just right. Wait until nighttime temperatures stay above 55 degrees Fahrenheit and daytime temperatures are in the 70s or 80s before planting. Peppers love warm soil, so don't rush them into cold ground. Next up, cucumbers. These refreshing salad staples are heat lovers, so plant them when both the soil and air temperatures are consistently above 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Since they're fast growers, you can even plant cucumbers as late as 2 months before the first expected fall frost. Corn, another warm season favorite, requires soil temperatures of at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit to germinate. This tall, tasseled plant loves long, warm days, so aim to plant it 2 weeks after the last spring frost. And let's not forget about squashes and melons. These sprawling vines need plenty of sunshine and warm soil. Plant them when the soil temperature is consistently above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and all danger of frost has passed. Remember, While general guidelines can be helpful, always consider your local climate and weather conditions. Using a soil thermometer can be a great way to ensure optimal planting conditions for your warm season vegetables. In the end, it's all about balance. Planting at the right time ensures your vegetables get the best start in life, setting the stage for a summer filled with fresh, homegrown produce. Warm season vegetables can bring a bounty of fresh produce during the heat of summer. Perennial vegetables like asparagus and rhubarb can provide a harvest year after year. This simple fact makes these veggies a fantastic choice for those looking to cultivate a sustainable, self-sufficient garden. But when's the best time to plant these perennials? Let's delve into that. Starting with asparagus, this hardy plant prefers cooler climates and should ideally be planted as soon as the ground can be worked in spring. The soil should be free of frost, but it doesn't need to be warm. This is usually a couple of weeks before the last frost date. Asparagus crowns, or one-year-old plants, are typically used for planting, and these robust little fellows can produce spears for up to 20 years. Next, let's talk about rhubarb. This tangy vegetable, often used as a fruit in desserts, is best planted in early spring. The soil temperature should be consistently above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so a soil thermometer can be a helpful tool. Rhubarb roots, or crowns, should be planted when the soil is moist but well drained. Moving on to artichokes, which are technically a perennial but often grown as annuals in colder climates. If you live in a region with mild winters, you can plant artichokes in late fall or early winter for a spring harvest. However, in colder climates, it's best to start artichokes indoors in late winter, and transplant them outside after the last frost date. Another perennial favorite is horseradish. This fiery root is best planted in early spring or fall, depending on your climate. In cooler regions, horseradish can be planted as soon as the soil can be worked in the spring. In warmer regions, it's best to plant horseradish in the fall. Remember, perennial vegetables require a bit more commitment than annuals. They often need a couple of years to establish themselves before they start producing. But once they do, they can reward you with a bounty of fresh produce for many years. Perennial vegetables can be a great investment for your garden, providing fresh produce for years to come. So why not give them a try? The rewards are well worth the initial effort. So, now you know when to plant each type of vegetable for a successful harvest. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. The timing of planting your vegetables is crucial, and understanding the difference between cool and warm season vegetables can make a world of difference in your yield. Cool season vegetables such as broccoli, kale, and spinach thrive in the cooler temperatures of early spring and fall. These veggies don't mind a bit of frost and can be planted as soon as the soil can be worked in spring or in late summer for a fall harvest. On the other hand, warm season vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers prefer the heat of summer. These plants are frost sensitive and should be planted after the last expected frost date in your region. Remember, it's not just the air temperature to consider, but also the soil temperature. These heat-loving crops need warm soil to get a good start. Perennial vegetables such as asparagus and rhubarb are a bit different. These plants are long-term investments that can provide a harvest year after year. They're typically planted in the early spring, but once established, they can withstand a variety of conditions. But remember, these are just general guidelines. The best planting time can vary based on your specific region's climate and weather patterns. Always consider factors like frost dates and soil temperature when deciding when to plant. It's also important to pay attention to the specific needs of each vegetable variety. Understanding these principles can help you maximize your harvest and enjoy fresh homegrown vegetables throughout the year. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting your homesteading journey, this knowledge can be the key to a successful growing season. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, Farming Knowhow, for more farming tips and tricks. Happy farming!